Am I the only one that didn't know smart glasses might replace our phones? Yup, you heard that right. The global smart glasses market is booming, expected to skyrocket to over $120 billion by 2033. Companies like Meta, Samsung, and Ray-Ban are leading the charge with some mind-blowing innovations. Imagine reading messages, navigating, and even translating languages, all without looking at your phone. At CES 2025, smart glasses like the Halliday and Reno X3 Pro showcased amazing features like high-def cameras, AI integration, and heads-up displays. And with advancements like micro OLED displays and 5G connectivity, the future looks pretty smart and stylish. So, could smart glasses replace your phone? With less distraction and more convenience, they just might. What do you think? Ready to switch your phone for a cool pair of specs? But how did we get here? The journey of smart glasses is quite fascinating. It all began in the 1960s with the invention of the first head-mounted display by Ivan Sutherland, known as the Sword of Damocles. This bulky device was far from practical, but laid the groundwork for future innovations. Fast forward to 1997, and we have the private eye by reflection technology, which introduced the concept of a wearable display. In the early 2000s, the world saw the emergence of more compact and advanced prototypes. One of the most notable was Google's Project Glass, launched in 2012. Despite its limited commercial success, it opened the world's eyes to the potential of augmented reality. Then came the Vuzix M100 in 2013, a more practical approach aimed at enterprise solutions. The 2010s saw a surge in development, with companies like Epson, Sony, and Microsoft entering the fray. Microsoft's HoloLens, released in 2016, was a game-changer, offering a mixed reality experience that combined holograms with the real world. Today, smart glasses are not just about AR and VR. They are evolving into everyday wearables with functionalities that blend seamlessly into our daily lives. From Google's reimagined Glass Enterprise Edition to Facebook's Ray-Ban Stories, the evolution continues at a rapid pace. So, while the road has been long and winding, each milestone has brought us closer to a future where smart glasses are as ubiquitous as smartphones. And who knows what the next decade will bring. So, who are the current market leaders in the smart glasses arena and what makes their product stand out? Let's take a closer look. First up, we have Microsoft with their HoloLens 2. Launched in 2019, this device is a powerhouse for enterprise solutions. It offers a highly immersive mixed reality experience with its advanced holographic processing unit, eye-tracking technology, and an impressive field of view. The HoloLens 2 is widely used in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and education, revolutionizing the way professionals interact with digital information. Next, we have Google with their Glass Enterprise Edition 2. While the original Google Glass struggled to find its footing in the consumer market, the reimagined version is tailored for business use. It features a lightweight design, improved battery life, and enhanced processing power, making it ideal for hands-free work in environments like logistics and field services. Another key player is Facebook, now Meta, with their Ray-Ban Stories. These smart glasses blend fashion with functionality, offering a stylish design without compromising on tech features. Users can capture photos and videos, listen to music, and take calls, all while looking like they're wearing a regular pair of Ray-Bans. It's a perfect example of how smart glasses are becoming more integrated into our everyday lives. Let's not forget about Vuzix, a company that has been a consistent innovator in the field. Their Vuzix Blade smart glasses are geared towards both enterprise and consumer markets. With a see-through display, voice control, and augmented reality capabilities, the Vuzix Blade is versatile and user-friendly. Finally, we have North, acquired by Google in 2020. Their focal smart glasses were praised for their sleek design and intuitive interface, featuring a holographic display that projects information directly into the user's line of sight. Although North's products are currently off the market, their technology is expected to play a significant role in Google's future smart glasses endeavors. These market leaders are not just pushing the boundaries of technology, they are also shaping how we will interact with the digital world in the years to come. As competition heats up, we can expect even more innovative features and applications to emerge, making smart glasses an integral part of our daily lives. As we look at the current market leaders, it's essential to understand the technological advancements that have made these modern smart glasses possible. Let's dive into the innovations that are driving this revolution. First and foremost, Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a crucial role. AI algorithms enable smart glasses to recognize objects, translate languages in real time, and provide contextual information seamlessly. For instance, AI can help identify machinery parts in a factory setting, guiding workers through complex repairs with step-by-step instructions displayed right in their field of view. Another game changer is augmented reality, AR. AR technology overlays digital information onto the physical world, creating an interactive experience. This is achieved through advanced sensors and cameras that map the environment in real time. Imagine walking through a new city and seeing historical facts and restaurant reviews appear before your eyes, or a doctor performing a surgery with vital stats and 3D models guiding them through the procedure. Advanced optics are also pivotal. Modern smart glasses use waveguide technology and micro-displays to project high-resolution images directly onto the lens. This ensures that the digital content is clear and easily readable, even in bright sunlight. Companies are continually working on reducing the size of these components to create sleeker, more comfortable designs. Battery life has always been a concern, but recent advancements in battery technology and energy-efficient components are extending usage times. Some smart glasses now offer all-day battery life, making them practical for both work and leisure. Connectivity is another area where significant progress has been made. With the integration of 5G technology, smart glasses can access high-speed internet, enabling real-time data processing and seamless streaming of content. This opens up a world of possibilities, from remote assistance to immersive gaming experiences. Lastly, voice recognition technology allows for hands-free operation. Users can control their smart glasses, search the web, and interact with apps using simple voice commands. This is not only convenient but also essential for applications where hands-free functionality is crucial, such as in healthcare or fieldwork. These technological advancements are not just enhancing the functionality of smart glasses, they are also making them more accessible and user-friendly. As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation, the potential applications for smart glasses are virtually limitless. From revolutionizing industries to transforming our daily lives, the future of smart glasses is indeed bright. As we look ahead, the future of smart glasses is brimming with possibilities that could redefine various aspects of our lives. Let's explore some of the most promising applications across different fields. In healthcare, smart glasses could become indispensable tools for both doctors and patients. Imagine a surgeon performing a complex procedure with real-time access to patient data, 3D anatomical models, and even remote expert consultations, all displayed within their field of vision. For patients, smart glasses could assist in medication management, provide visual and auditory reminders for treatments, and offer augmented reality exercises for physical rehabilitation. Education stands to be revolutionized as well. Picture students wearing smart glasses during a history lesson, where historical events are brought to life through augmented reality, making learning more engaging and interactive. Virtual field trips to museums, ancient ruins, and even outer space could become a regular part of the curriculum, breaking down geographical barriers and enriching the educational experience. Entertainment is another realm where smart glasses could make a significant impact. From augmented reality gaming that blends the virtual and physical worlds to immersive movie experiences that place you right in the middle of the action, the possibilities are endless. Imagine attending a concert where digital effects are overlaid onto the live performance, creating a multisensory spectacle like never before. The workplace is also set to benefit. In industries like manufacturing and construction, smart glasses can provide real-time data overlays, safety alerts, and remote expert guidance, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. In the corporate world, virtual meetings and collaborative projects could become more immersive and interactive, bridging the gap between remote teams. In our daily lives, smart glasses could offer a seamless blend of digital assistance and real-world interaction, from navigation aids that highlight the best route and point out landmarks to personal shopping assistants that provide product information and reviews as you browse. The integration of smart glasses into everyday activities could make our lives more convenient and informed. As we continue to innovate, the potential applications for smart glasses are bound to expand even further. The convergence of AI, Arkansas, and advanced optics is setting the stage for a future where the line between the digital and physical worlds becomes increasingly blurred. The journey of smart glasses has only just begun, and the road ahead is filled with opportunities that could transform industries and enhance our everyday experiences. The future is not just about seeing more, it's about seeing better, and smart glasses are poised to lead the way. As promising as the future of smart glasses may be, it's crucial to recognize the challenges and limitations that stand in the way of their widespread adoption. Let's delve into some of the most pressing issues that developers and users face. One of the primary concerns is battery life. Despite significant advancements in technology, power consumption remains a critical challenge. Smart glasses need to be lightweight and comfortable, which limits the size of the battery they can house. This often results in shorter usage times, requiring frequent recharging, which can be inconvenient for users who rely on them throughout the day. Privacy concerns also loom large. The ability of smart glasses to capture and store video, audio, and other data raises significant privacy issues. Users and those around them may feel uneasy about being recorded without their consent. This has led to regulatory scrutiny and calls for stricter guidelines to ensure that privacy is protected. User adoption is another hurdle. While tech enthusiasts may eagerly embrace smart glasses, the broader public may be hesitant. Concerns about comfort, style, and the learning curve associated with new technology can deter potential users. Moreover, there is a cultural aspect to consider. Wearing smart glasses in public may still be seen as unconventional or intrusive. Technical limitations also play a role. For instance, the field of view for augmented reality displays is still relatively narrow, which can limit the immersive experience. Additionally, the accuracy of gesture and voice controls is not yet perfect, leading to potential frustration for users. Cost is another barrier. High-quality smart glasses are often expensive, making them less accessible to the average consumer. This limits the market and slows down widespread adoption. Lastly, integration with existing digital ecosystems poses a challenge. For smart glasses to be truly effective, they need to seamlessly interact with other devices and platforms. Achieving this level of interoperability requires collaboration across the tech industry, which can be a complex and time-consuming process. Despite these challenges, the potential of smart glasses is undeniable. As technology continues to evolve, solutions to these issues will emerge, paving the way for a more seamless and integrated future. By addressing these limitations head-on, developers can work towards creating smart glasses that are not only innovative but also practical and user-friendly. In conclusion, while the road to widespread adoption of smart glasses is fraught with challenges, the journey is well worth undertaking. With continued innovation and collaboration, the vision of a connected, augmented reality-enhanced future is within our grasp. As we navigate the evolving landscape of smart glasses, it's essential to consider their broader societal impact and whether they could one day replace smartphones. The potential of smart glasses extends far beyond simple convenience. Imagine a world where information is seamlessly integrated into your field of view, enhancing everyday tasks with real-time data. From navigating busy streets to accessing instant translations during international travel, smart glasses promise to revolutionize how we interact with the world around us. In the workplace, smart glasses could redefine productivity. By overlaying digital instructions on physical objects, they could streamline complex tasks and reduce errors. Remote collaboration would reach new heights, with colleagues sharing a live view of each other's perspectives, making problem-solving more intuitive and efficient. For education, the implications are equally transformative. Students could experience immersive learning environments, exploring historical events or scientific concepts through augmented reality. This hands-on approach could foster deeper understanding and engagement, making learning more dynamic and accessible. Healthcare too stands to benefit immensely. Surgeons could access critical patient data without looking away from the operating table, and first responders could receive real-time guidance in emergency situations. The integration of smart glasses into medical training could also provide unparalleled opportunities for simulation and practice. However, the question remains, can smart glasses truly replace smartphones? While they offer unique advantages, several factors must be considered. Smartphones have become an integral part of our lives, offering a versatile platform for communication, entertainment, and productivity. Smart glasses would need to match this versatility and convenience to become a viable replacement. Battery life, privacy, and user comfort, as discussed earlier, are significant hurdles. Moreover, the transition from a handheld device to a wearable one requires a cultural shift. Society must embrace the idea of constant connectivity and the visual integration of digital information into our daily lives. Despite these challenges, the convergence of smart glasses and smartphones is a tantalizing possibility. As technology advances, we may see a hybrid approach, where smart glasses complement rather than replace smartphones, creating a more interconnected and efficient digital ecosystem. In conclusion, the societal impact of smart glasses is profound, with the potential to enhance various aspects of our lives. Whether they will replace smartphones remains to be seen, but their role in shaping the future of technology is undeniable. As innovation continues, smart glasses may well become an indispensable part of our digital landscape, bridging the gap between the physical and virtual worlds.